Hey y'all, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by, thanks for clicking this video. But before you go, make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? If you're returning, thank you guys so much for your support as always. So in this video, we are going to be rocking hunting, okay? This beautiful crochet braids, guys. I'm here for this color, yo. Like, this color is so beautiful, so summer ready, okay? All right, so without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. All right, guys, so as you guys already know, my hair is nicely washed, moisturized, and all good stuff, ready to install some protective style. Okay, I am so ready. I'm so done with my hair at this point. I just want to protect the style. Okay, all right, so I want to say thank you so much to Niseyo for sponsoring this video. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into the info about this hair. So this hair is, as you can tell, crochet braids. It's already pre-looped, okay, and we love that. And the color is T30, and it comes in 8 packs, and there's 16 in each of the packs. 16 crochet braid in each of the pack, okay? And this is how it looks like. This is the beautiful colors. You guys can see the curls are popping, and I love this hair. I love this hair. It's lightweight. It is so easy to install. It took me 3 hours, guys, and that's me with the baby, with the kids, okay, and everything in between. All right, so this is what I used to do my cornrows, okay? I bought this to do like twist out, and then I just changed my mind because it was time for me to do a protect style. So this is what I'm gonna be using, and this is my braiding pattern, which took me 30 minutes, guys, okay? 30 to 40 minutes. So in front here, I have 12 braids. Okay, these are the illusion individual braids. So at the back, I just have the flat twist, guys. This is like the hack right here. This is what's gonna make your crochet installation go by so fast, okay? Oh, I just love this right here, okay? So I'm just gonna do, so in the back, I just have those flat twists, which don't take you nothing but 5 minutes, okay? So the hardest part is gonna be in front, trying to get the individual illusion, but it's not even hard at all, okay? It's not hard at all. All right, so to install, you guys know the drill. You know how we install crochet braids. I'm just inserting the crochet needle, looping it in like so, and that's it, okay? Now, the direction in which you go all depends on how you want to wear your hair. I find that if you go in one direction, the hair will, flow on one side. But if you're wearing in different ways, parting in different ways, then I don't think it really matters. So just that right there, but it's so easy to install, and I'm here for the color. I feel like it's just so perfect for summer. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I'm here for it, okay? All right, so the installation part took me, I want to say 30 to 40 minutes as well. So easy, guys. So this style took me less than 3 hours, okay? Less than 3 hours. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I'm doing for the rest of the installation. And yeah, and the loop is not as thick, so it's so easy for you to install the hair. You're not struggling. I hate when it's so thick and you can't get it through your hair, and I feel like that can be very damaging to your natural hair. So I always love it when the loop is thin, nice and thin, and I usually try to use those ones in front, okay? When I find the thin ones, sometimes I just put them aside because I want to use those in front. Honey, the thick ones can break your hair, so you just have to be careful when it comes to that. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of the hair, and then I'll come back to show y'all the finished look. Well, the almost finished look, okay? So in the back, guys, I just I don't know why it kept going off focus, but I literally just went on and just installed randomly, okay? I just randomly installed them in the back, and that was it. Okay, and then another thing with this hair, you really need to be careful because it has those curls, so you can like get hooked up, you can get like, you know, hooked to something and make it real frizzy. So you just have to be careful. But then if you like that frizzy look, it gives it that natural curl, so you might be fine, you know. It's not a big deal. Yeah, but I just wanted to point that out. So another thing that I did was I went back and filled up the spots in the back that I could see on the sides, and just make sure, you know, everything is like nicely filled in. And honey, I used all the packs. Okay, I used all the packs, and yeah. Okay, so this is me finishing up the hair. Like I said, it was so easy to install, guys, and I am loving this hair. I'm loving this color, and you guys can check out this hair on Amazon. I will post everything in the description box, everything that you guys need to know. You know where to get the hair. Okay, all right, this is it for this hair. But before we go, we're gonna work on our edges or whatever. But guys, I did not like this edge control right here in my hair. So yeah, I did not like this edge control in particular for my hair. But you know, just because something is not working for me doesn't mean it'll not work for you, because everyone's hair is different. Okay, just use your favorite edge control and then you're good to go. You know, you guys know I love to leave my edges alone, but this needed this. This hairstyle needed this. All right, so that's it, guys. Love the hair. Make sure you check my description box for all the information on the hair, and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.